Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to help our dear students, grade 4, to do test number 1, term number 2. And the first question here, write the fraction for the shaded part. So let's go. I will start from here, my dear student. He asked me to write fraction for the shaded part. So I have to count the shaded part. How many part is shaded? It is 1. So up I write 1, then I will count the whole part, shaded and not shaded, and put it down. Okay, my dear student, let's move here. Again, he asked me to write the fraction of the shaded part. 1, 2, 3 shaded part, and the whole is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Let's move to number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts shaded, and 6 the whole parts. Okay, let us move to the next here. Don't scare, apply what you know, and let's go here. Now, how many shaded part we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 8, 9, 10 parts. Okay, my dear students, are you happy with that? Me too. Now let us move here to the mixed number. Again, we apply. How many shaded part we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the whole part is... No, don't do it. Now I count the whole part for one part, or for one circle. 3, 4, and 5. My dear student here, remember the number up all of time bigger than or larger than the number down. Okay, my dear student, are you happy with that? Me too. Let us apply what we learned here. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaded. Okay, it is a tricky question actually. So again, the whole part is 1, 2. So it is 5 over 2. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Here, as you see here, the shade, it is shaded, full shaded. Full shaded means whole number. So here I have actually 2 full shaded and half. So actually it is 2.5 or 2 and half. Okay, just to know. Okay, just to know. Or 5 over 2. 5 real divided by you and yourself. Each one will take 2.5 real. Okay, this is the first part. Let us move to the second part, which is here. He asked me to color here. Color the parts to show the fraction. He asked me to color 2. He asked me to color 2 out of 5. 1, 2. We done. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now here he asked me to color 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. We done. Here he asked me to color 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We done. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Now here he asked me to evaluate the following expression. Actually, we have to know the rule for execute this statement, and you have to know the order of operations. You have to know multiply and divide. The division, it is stronger than, okay, it is stronger than the plus and minus. You see? Okay, so divide and multiply stronger than plus and minus. So you have to do multiply, divide before plus and minus. Be careful. Don't do any minus or subtraction or plus or positive or whatever add before multiply and divide. But if you face divide and multiply in the same statement, go from the left, my dear student. Okay, look here. Look here, and you have to start from the left. But there are one state or situation you can do plus and minus before multiply and divide if you have this and this. Brackets, parentheses, whatever you call. Okay, you have to execute what inside, whatever, and all of time start from the left. Okay, all of time start from here. Okay, again, you have to start from parentheses. So we have to execute this. I have the weak operations, which is plus and minus. So I will start from the left. So I will do this. And this give me 35. I will copy all. Okay, divide 11 minus 5. Okay, one operation for each. One operation for each. You see, I copy everything up, down. I do one operation each time. Okay, my dear student? Okay. Now, I have two brackets here. Actually, I start from, the doctor said, from left to right. So, this give me 30. And I copy what left. It is better to do one operation each time. Okay, so now I have teacher, I have division, and the division is stronger than the minus. But remember, we have brackets here. Okay, or parentheses. I don't remember what it is name actually. So 11 minus 5 equal, give me 6. Now I bring down the rest. What left? 30 divided by 6 give me 5, and we done. So the answer is 5. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now let us come here. Now how many operation I have? Minus, plus, minus, divide. No brackets here, so go directly and execute this, the division, because it's stronger than plus and minus. So I will do this, my dear student. I will do this one, and this one give me 5 divide 5. It is not 0 or 5, it is 1. And I copy the rest of what left from the statement. I just copy it as it is, okay? Or drop it from up to down. Now I have minus, plus, minus. All of them have the same order, but the doctor said go from the left to right if you have equal order of operation. So this give me 10, and I copy the left. What left? Plus 10 minus 1. Now plus and minus have the same order, but I do what comes from the left side. So 20 minus 1 equal 19. Are you happy with that, my dear student? Let us do this. Anyone, because I don't want to take a long of time, but let us do both for my dear student. Here we do what inside parentheses here, okay, or brackets, whatever, and we start from the left. Okay, 10 plus 42 equal 52. Sorry for that. Minus 2 Okay, divide by 10 plus 7. One operation each time. Again, we do this. This give me 50. And I copy everything as it is. Okay, my dear student, are you happy with that? Now 50 divided by 10. Why you do the divide? Because it's stronger than this. So 50 divided by 10 equal 5. 5 plus 7 give me 12. Okay, now let us do D. Okay, now I have multiply, minus, divide. Impossible to do minus, but there are multiply and divide. But the teacher said if multiply and divide come in the same time, I'm coming from, yes, the left. Okay, I will start from here. Okay, so I will do this, which give me 28, and I copy with the left from the statement. Now minus and divide. Actually I will do this because division is stronger than subtraction. So 8 divided by 4 equal 2, and I copy what left from here, and 28 minus 2 give me 26. Are you happy with that, my dear student? Me too. Okay, now let us move here, not here, no, here, yes, or there, I don't know. The long division and the long story with the long division, my dear student. Please calm and pay attention. Okay, I will do the classic way. Okay, it is 7,432 divided by 2. Okay, I take the 2, this 2, and I multiply it. And when I multiply it, actually I draw my map. I draw my map. I will do it. I will draw my map route. 10, 12. Let us finish here. Maybe I will need to continue. I don't know. I will check. Now I will looking for the 7. The seven is living here between the 6 and the 8. So I will take the 6, okay, and put it under the 7 and count 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. 3 by 2 equals 6. So it is minus 1 down. Now the 1 is less than 2. He look up and call the 4. Please come down. Help me. I'm less than the 2. Okay, the 1 will be 14. Again, I'm looking for the 14 in my map. I will complete my map. It is 12, 14. I find it. Good. It is here. Then I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know 7 by 2 equal 14, or I drop it here. Okay, so minus 0, 0. Now the 0 look up and say, please 3 come and help me. So the 3 come down, and I can find the 3 where here between the 2 and the 4, but I will take the 2. Yes, how many times it's repeated? Yes, one multiple of 2, and I drop the 2 here. I bring 3 minus 2 equal 1. I drop the 2 here. 12. Can I find the 12? Yes, it is here. How many times? It is 6. And I then drop the 12 here. So 0, 0. Okay. It is fast explanation. You know it is a long lesson. I try to help as possible. So this is question letter A. I will take a special case actually here. Okay, you must know it. Let's go. Now the 3, I will draw my map with the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, this is 3 by the way. Okay, but it is sick. Okay, now first of all I will looking for the 8. The 8 live between 6 and 9. All of time I take the small, remember the small number, which is 6. I count how many times, 1, 2, 2 up, and the 6 that I highlighted down. I do subtraction. I got 2. I drop the 7. It will be 27 because the 2 shout up and say, please help me 7. Please, I will need to be 27 to be greater than the 3. I'm looking for the 27. If you keep multiple the 3, you will find it. So it is here. If you count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9 actually. And you drop the 27 here and subtract as usual, you know. Now the 0 called the 1, please help me. The 1 coming down here. And he said, uh-oh, I'm still less than 3. I need your help. He called the second one here. But the second one say, I cannot come down here until you put 0 from your pocket. He said, okay. He put 0 up and the 1 coming down happy. Now I'm looking for the 3. Sorry, the 11. The 11, it is live between the 9 and the 12. And all of time we take less, which is 9. And you know it is 3. It is 3. Okay, 3 by 3 is 9. Or I drop this 9 itself here. Don't say 1 minus 9. It is not allowed. I take 1 from. Don't say like that. Say 11 minus 9 equal 2. So the remainder is 2, my dear student. Now the last part, my dear student. Not here. Yes, it is here. Okay, the problem solving. It is a problem. So it is not a problem solving at all, but it is a small written question. Here, actually, don't scare if you see any problem solving. Just try to understand. Lara was finding the value of 2 multiply 5 plus 5 equal. She claimed it is 20. He asked me, is her answer correct or not? Correct her answer. So directly you go to this statement and you apply the rule. Okay, as you know, my dear student, there are multiply and plus, and you know that the multiply, it is stronger than plus, so you apply or execute the multiply. 2 by 5 give 10. I drop the plus, I drop the 5. 10 plus 5 give me 15. Please tell me, is she correct? Is she or does she correct? Actually no, and we find the right answer, which is 15, not 20. Now the last question here. a bill of 2,849 Saudi Riyal is paid in 3-month payments. How much is paid each month? How much is paid each month? Actually here, my dear student, in this test, go and do the long division directly. Don't hesitate. So 3 outside at 2,849 inside. And you do what you know from before. Actually, I multiply the 3, 6, 9. I know you are better than this, but it is okay. 12, sorry, 12, no, 12, okay, it did not work here. Try to move it here. Okay, 3, sorry, okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Draw your map. Draw your map. Your map guide you, help you. Do it slowly and correctly. Don't worry. Now, the first question. The 3 is bigger than the 2, so the 2 asks the 8, come with me, I will be greater than the 3. Yes, so the 8 come and the 2 become 28. Now you try to looking for the 28, not the 2. Yes, and actually you will find it between what and what. Okay, let me complete. It is 30. It is between 30 and 27 and 30. Yes, 27 and 30 again, and all of time we take the less number and then we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we count the count up and the 27 down and do the subtraction. 8 minus 7 equal 1, 2 minus 2 equals 0. The one look up and call the 4. Hey 4, come and join me to be a 14. So now we are 14. Go and looking for the 14. Actually you can find it between 12 and 15. But you take the less. 15 is greater than 14, not work. But the 12 is work. Sorry. So 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We put 4 here. 4, please come. Okay. Now it's work. Now I put the 4 here and the 12 under the 14. 4 minus 2 equal 2, 1 minus 1 equal 0, and I prefer to say 14 minus 12 equal 2, and we're done. Okay, now the 2 looking up and ask the 9, come please, I need your help. Okay, it is 29. Yes, are we good? I hope so. And the 29 again, it is between 27 and 30, but we take the less again, which is 27. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 up and 27 down. 29 minus 27 equal 2. The remainder is 2. So the answer 949. So the answer 949 and the remainder is 2. Thank you for watching and see you later, my alligator.